Okay, question 49. We have a fraction being raised to a power. For the time being, we can work on what's inside the parentheses and ignore the power. Like this. The first thing I see here is a 5 and a 15. I can reduce that. 5 goes into 15 3 times. So this can be rewritten as right? And next, wherever you see a negative exponent, you move it to the other side of the division bar. So b to the negative 2 will move to the top. Its exponent becomes positive once I move it across the division bar. C to the negative 1 also moves to the top. C to the negative 3 moves to the bottom. Right? Stays on top, moves to the bottom. Stays in the bottom, moves to the top. Moves to the top. Okay? And now we have a letter with the same... Well, we have two letters here. They're the same letter, and they're being multiplied. Exponent law says if the letters are the same letter, I just add their exponents. So 4 plus 2, that becomes b to the 6th. Here, we have the same letter being divided. Exponent law says I subtract their exponents. So 1 minus 3, negative 2, over 3, right? And I always bring the negative 4 down. If I didn't bring it down, I'd be changing the problem, and that wouldn't be alright. So again, I see I have a negative exponent. I'm going to move it to the bottom. And when I move it, it becomes positive. Raised to the negative 4, everything. And now there's nothing left for me to do on the inside, so I have to use the negative 4. Since it's a fraction, I have to distribute it to the top and the bottom. Like that. And now I have b to the 6th raised to the negative 4. Exponent law says their exponents multiply. 6 times negative 4. This becomes b to the negative 24. I'll do this in the next step. I'll just leave it as this for now. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. And again, I have negative exponents. So I'll just go ahead and move them to where they need to be. And now 3 to the 4th power is the same thing as writing 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Then everything else. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 9, 81. So 3 to the 4th power is 81. And everything else comes along. And that's our answer.